In this video, I'm going to show you how to use free stock images in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So the best way to do this is to open up Affinity Designer, and then at the top here, you want to click onto Window. Then from here, click onto a Layout, and then to the right, we've got the option of Stock. So go ahead and click onto Stock. And now to the right of this, we've got this little window here that says Pexels. So we can use Pexels or Pixabay. So from here, if I just put in a search term that you would like to use stock. So I'm just going to type in dog and then hit enter. Now, as you can see, this is going to search. So from here, we've got all these different images of dogs that we can use completely for free and copyright free too. So if you put any of this artwork onto YouTube or any platform, you're not going to get any strikes or any violations. So say if I want to put in this puppy here, I can go ahead and it will say a disclaimer. So these images are provided by a third party called Pexels. They're not provided by Affinity or Canva. Now you do need to agree to the Pexels terms and conditions. So go in and click onto that and click I understand. So from that, I'm just going to drag that dog like that. Now it might not, it's going to come to the full size. So if we want to go ahead and edit the size, I'm just going to zoom out a bit here. I'm going to click onto the move button. Now I can go ahead and click the bottom here and like that to make it fit the page. So yeah, you basically when you use Pexels or Pixabay and just type in your search term and then go ahead and pick your images or free stock images rather for your design.